This video is presented to you by Canadian Gundam. $10 flat rate shipping from coast to Canadian coast. Now also shipping to the United States.
Okay, now that we have the all set up, let's look at it more thoroughly. See, right out of the box, we get an action stand because this comes with 2 tactical arms. And if you know anything about the tactical arms, they are heavy and it's going to be nearly impossible for the Astray to hold it on its own. So it was very kindly for Bandai to give this back to us. So the Turn Red is pretty much, imagine the Astray Red Kai but in reverse colors. We got a lot of dark colors, white, and a more crimson red. See, we're getting more white and a darker clear green, and thankfully, since this is P Bandai, that means water slides. Again, you're getting multiple runners for the tactical arms because this comes with 2 tactical arms instead of 1. More black. Bit more of crimson red. More black. More black. Yet again, more black. Red and white. More black. And a lot of whites. And now we can look at the stickers. Not bad. Not a bad sticker count. Seems like most of the stickers for the original Astray kit are still there. Next we have... Wait, there's a few more runners. My bad. There's a little bit of gray, so that's cool. Something to break things up a little bit. A nice foil hologram sticker from Canadian Gundam, which is pretty sweet. Always like holograms, especially when I was a little kid. Oh, and the manual. I'm actually surprised. I thought it would have been the Astray manual just tacked on with a few more sheets, but this is actually a brand new original manual. Yep, this is all brand new for this kit exclusively, which is pretty shocking again because with P Bandai, especially with this type of kit, I was expecting them just to recycle any of the Astray manual kits and then just tack on maybe a few more reverse pieces just to build the second tactical arms, and yeah, that would have been it. But no, they actually made a brand new manual just for this kit, which means that it should be more user-friendly. So that is the unboxing of the Masquerade Turn Red. Astray Turn Red, not red version of the Turn A or Turn X. That is the unboxing of the Gundam Astray Turn Red. I gotta thank the people at Canadian Gundam for making this possible. And you should be seeing a review for this very shortly. So until then, this is 101R Smith, and I will see you later. Peace!